Homes for sale in Bel Air, L.A. by owner 3-bed price. Welcome to this beautiful home located in Bel Air, L.A. This stunning home is located in a gated community and boasts breathtaking views. With approximately 3,700 square feet, it's perfect for multi-generational living. The home features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and an expansive open floor plan. Upstairs, you'll find 2 primary suites, and downstairs, a 3rd mother-in-law suite with a sitting room and full-size bath. 2 additional bedrooms upstairs share a bathroom and bonus game room. The luxurious multiple living spaces feature a gourmet chef's kitchen with a 6-burner KitchenAid gas cooktop and gorgeous tile flooring. Plantation shutters can be found throughout the house. The impressive primary suite has a balcony that overlooks the luscious backyard and the beautiful countryside. The master also features 2 separate sinks and his and her closets. The backyard is like being in a resort, with a beautiful swimming pool and raised waterfall. It's perfect for having family gatherings and entertaining. It's lush and large, on a large lot. Don't miss the chance to own this amazing property. Thanks. Homes for sale in Bel Air, L.A. by owner 3-bed price.